Imagine a world where your thoughts are not confined to a skull. A world where memories can be uploaded and shared. A world where intelligence is unbound by flesh and bone. This is not science fiction. This is the dawning reality of the digital brain. For millennia, the human brain has been our ultimate frontier. It is the seat of our consciousness, our creativity, our very identity. But what if this biological marvel is just a stepping stone? What if the next stage of human evolution lies not within our genes, but within our code? Today, we journey into the heart of this profound transformation. We explore the quest to digitize the human mind. The foundation of this digital future is built on an increasingly sophisticated understanding of neuroscience. Scientists are meticulously mapping the intricate network of neurons that form our brains. This neural map, a three-dimensional blueprint, reveals the complex connections that give rise to our thoughts and feelings. We are moving beyond simply observing brain activity. We are beginning to decipher its language. Technologies like advanced fMRI and high-density electroencephalography are providing unprecedented views. These tools allow us to visualize neural pathways in real time. They reveal the electrical and chemical signals that define our subjective experience. The sheer complexity is staggering. A human brain contains roughly 86 billion neurons. Each neuron can form thousands of connections. This creates a network of trillions of synapses. Replicating this complexity digitally is a monumental task. Yet progress is accelerating at an astonishing pace. The most tangible manifestation of this digital shift is the rapid advancement of brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs. These are not just for controlling prosthetic limbs anymore. BCIs are evolving into sophisticated communication channels between our minds and machines. Imagine a direct link, bypassing the limitations of speech or touch. This technology allows individuals with severe motor impairments to communicate and interact with the world. It offers a glimmer of hope for regaining lost abilities. But the potential extends far beyond medical applications. Researchers are developing BCIs that can interpret complex thoughts. They are exploring ways to translate intention directly into action within digital environments. This could revolutionize how we work, learn, and play. Think of instantaneous knowledge transfer, or the ability to collaborate on complex projects with unprecedented synergy. These interfaces are becoming more seamless, less invasive. From implantable electrodes to non-invasive headbands, the spectrum of BCIs is widening. Each iteration brings us closer to a true digital symbiosis. The ultimate goal for many in this field is mind uploading. This is the theoretical process of scanning a person's brain and transferring its contents to a digital substrate. Essentially, creating a digital copy of your consciousness. This concept raises profound philosophical questions. What constitutes identity when the physical body is no longer the sole vessel? If a digital copy exists, is it truly you? Or is it a sophisticated simulation? The ethical landscape is equally complex. Who controls these digital minds? What rights would a digital consciousness possess? We must grapple with the potential for digital immortality, or conversely, the fear of eternal digital confinement. This is not a distant dream. Early experiments in mapping and simulating simple neural networks are already underway. While a full human mind upload remains a formidable challenge, the trajectory is clear. We are inching closer to a point where consciousness might be decoupled from its biological origins. The implications for human evolution are staggering. If we can exist in a digital form, our limitations could vanish. Biological constraints like aging, disease, and even physical death could become obsolete. Our minds could traverse vast digital landscapes at speeds impossible for our physical bodies. We could inhabit virtual worlds, experience realities unbound by physics. Intelligence itself could be amplified. Imagine merging with artificial intelligence, creating a hybrid superintelligence. This could unlock solutions to humanity's most pressing problems. From climate change to interstellar travel. However, this evolutionary leap also presents profound risks. Could we lose touch with our humanity? Could the pursuit of digital perfection lead to the erosion of empathy and emotion? The digital realm offers boundless potential, but it also demands careful consideration. We must navigate this path with wisdom and foresight. The very definition of what it means to be human is on the verge of being rewritten. The journey toward the digital brain is not without its hurdles. Technical challenges abound. The sheer volume of data involved in mapping a brain is immense. Processing and simulating this data requires computational power far beyond our current capabilities. Furthermore, the ethical and societal implications require extensive debate and careful regulation. We need to establish frameworks for digital identity, privacy, and ownership. The potential for misuse and inequality is significant. Access to these technologies could create new divides. We must ensure that this evolution benefits all of humanity. This is a global conversation. It requires input from scientists, ethicists, policymakers, and the public. The future of consciousness is being shaped right now. We are at a pivotal moment in our species' history. The digital brain represents not just a technological advancement. It represents a fundamental shift in our existence. The digital brain, a concept once confined to speculative fiction. It is now a rapidly approaching reality. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of our own minds. And as our technological prowess grows, we stand at the threshold of an unprecedented era. An era where consciousness might truly become limitless. What will we become? That is the ultimate question.